About this item, AUX function cannot switch songs on radio panel or steering wheel, just can adjust the volume on the panel. Charging will affect auxiliary playback, please don't charge at the same time. Some radio models have the original factory anti-theft system. If installed, this adapter will be required to enter the password when you switch the FM and auxiliary mode. Fit for these car models: Accord 2003 to 2011, Civic 2006-2010, not fit for Civic 5D, City 2002-2011, CRV 2004-2011, FRV 2004 to 2009, Element 2003-2011, Odyssey 2005 to 2010, Pilot 2006-2011, Fit/Jazz 2006 to 2011, S 2005-2010, Legend 2006-2011, Ridgeline 2006 to 2011, Acura CSX 2006 to 2011, MDX 2005 to 2006, RDX 2007-2011, TSX, except Type S, 2004-2011. If the CD changer port is occupied by other, you will also need a Y cable. In the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item, AUX function cannot switch songs on radio panel or steering wheel, just can adjust the volume on the panel. Charging will affect